Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening has been an evening full of pitches, but let's not end this with a picture. Let me tell you a story. We are living in a world of virality, where labubus and kunafas have given brands a new dimension. But let's talk about an award-winning brand that has created a niche in the category of healthy beverages. Boost, a brand born in Australia with a philosophy of love, life. From a kitchen bench today, Boost has more than 850 stores worldwide. In the UAE, we are in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, led by our master franchisee Arada. Now, what makes Boost so special? It's healthy, it's free from alternative additives, it supports your active lifestyle, and it helps you to regain complete consistency when you're working out. Now imagine you're running in the kite beach and you're burning your calories, not just by your cardio or by your bike sessions, but also by visiting Boost Juice. And our blender bikes, the secret sauce to our success and something that created a global phenomena. We invited leading Time Out Abu Dhabi Dubai and Time Out Dubai to visit us at Boost Juice, and they created an amazing content that resulted in a staggering 8 million views. Yes, 8 million views, and this was showcasing unparalleled public engagement. And this led to 50% increase in our revenues, and what led to it was a global phenomena. TikTokers announced us as geniuses and asked businesses from all over the world to copy us, be it Asia, Africa, Europe, or the West. Chris Conner mentioned in his Instagram that Boost has created a parallel economy of blender bikes. Notable brands with the likes of BBC Good Foods, Island Dubai, Love in Dubai, Hotel and Catering, leaders in F&B awards validated us for what we are bringing in terms of F&B virality. So now, before I see all of you tomorrow morning at the Kite Beach with your sports shoes or your brogues in suits or in joggers, let's go and meet Boost Juice at the Kite Beach and create some great blender bikes phenomena. And like we always say, celebrate your health like you celebrate your holidays. I'm boosted. Are you?